Welcome students, myself Mrs. Netra Kale, your maths teacher from Welkin National School, and we are starting today mathematics for standard 3. From today onwards we are starting our term 2 portion. So this is your first chapter of term 2, chapter number 10, addition by carrying over. Students, earlier we have seen addition without carrying over. Now we will do addition by carrying over. Okay, now look here. Salma has these number of bits. So how many bits Salma has? Look first. This is, this is the group of 10. So these are 10 bits. So instead of this is a 110, we will call it 110. Okay. So how many tens are there? Look, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens, and these are single bits. These are single 7 bits. Okay, so which is the number it is? 7 tens. So 7 tens are 70. So 70 and 7 bits. So total number are 77. Okay, and Sonu has how many bits? Let's count. Again, these are tens. So 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 80. How many it is? 80, and these are single 5 bits. So what is the number? 85. When we add both the bits, both number of bits, so Salma has how many? 77, and Sonu has 85. So when we add 77 and 85 together, okay, when we add 77 and 85, so what we will add first? 7 and 5. So 7 and 5, what is the addition number? 12. What is the addition number? 12. So 7 plus 5, 12. And 7 plus 8, 15. Okay, so our answer is 15 and 12. 12 and 15. Now, here, this will come 15 and this is 12. So, now here again look, 12 is there. It means 10 plus 2. We can make a tens groups from this 12. So this tens we will count. We will keep here this side. So 1 tens if we give here, then how many tens will be here? 16. Okay, and here how many beads left? Only 2. We are giving 110 here, na? So here how many bead left? 2. So now 16 plus 16 and 2 beads, 16 strings. So now we got 16 strings, right? 16 strings and 2 single bits. 2 single bits. Now in this 16 there are 10 strings plus 6 strings, right? 10 strings means 100 bits. 10 tens are 100. So what we will do? We will keep 100 bits in a side. And now next 6 strings. Okay, and 2 bits are more. So what will be the number? 100. So what will be the number? 162. This is 100. So 100. This is 6 tens and 2 units. So what is the numbers? 100, 6 tens and 2 units. Hope you understand, students, this. Okay. Now look. 12T. 12T means 12 tens. So 12 tens means 100 and 2 tens. Now 12 tens, it means 120, right? 12 tens. When we will add 0 here, it means 120. So here, what is the place value of 1? 100 and 2 tens, that is 20. Understood, student? Look, 15 tens, 105 tens. Okay. Now 102 tens, it means 12 tens. 104 tens, it means 14 tens. If you're not understanding, just do it here. Then you will get to understand. Understood? Now we will start addition by carrying over. Now look, the number is given 300. 300. This is the first row, this is the second row. So 100. 2 tens, and how many units count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 128. Look, 128. 100, 2 tens and 8 units. And the next number is 200, 110 and 6 unit. 200, 110 and 6 unit. Now we are adding it. First we add, always while addition and subtraction, we will start from unit place. Okay, so add 8 and 6 together. What is the answer? 14 units. When we add 2 plus 1 together, what is the answer? 3 units. And when we add 1 and 2, the answer is 300. So our answer is 300, 3 tens and 14 units. Now in this 14, there are 2 places. So one is unit place and one is tens place, right? 14, it means 10 plus 4. So here one is tens, 110. So when we add something, we cannot write 14 here. Here only 4 is at unit place, but 1 is at tens place. So we will carry this one in the tens place. Okay, we have to keep only unit place here. So unit place will left here and 1 will carry over above 10. Okay, so look, 128 plus 216. How we will do? 8 plus 6, 14. So 4 will left. In the 14 number, 4 is at unit place. So we will write only 4 here, and this 1 will carry over in the tens place. So 2 plus 1, 3, and 3 plus 1, 4. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So our answer is 344. Understood, students? Now look at the next. Here 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 2 units. 100, 5 tens, 2 units. And 100, 7 tens and 3 units. 100, 7 tens and 3 units. Again 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. But we cannot write 12 here. So we will put only tens place here and 1 place we will carry over. So 100, 100, 100 is 300. Look, we will do like this. 152 plus 173. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2. Only tens place we will keep, and 100 place we will carry at 100 place. Understood? And our answer is 325. Okay, student, hope you understood. Look, this is the sum. 7 plus 9, 16. So 6, I cannot write 16 here. So 6 only unit place we will keep here, and tens place we will carry at tens place. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 3, 10. So again 10 here, so we cannot write 10, so only unit place we will write. So 0 and 100 will at 100 place, carry over at 100 place. So 2 plus 1, 3, and plus 5, 8. So our answer is 806. Students, hope you are understanding. These are some addition sums given for your practice. Just do practice of it in home. Okay. Now arrange vertically and add. This sum is given. You have to arrange it vertically, like 235 plus 146. So 235 plus 146 and solve it. Okay. Solve these questions in your notebook. Always write unit under unit place, tens under tens place, and 100 under 100 place. Okay. Now look at the word problems. Solve the following problem. This is a story of addition. Okay. If 365 women and 276 men took part in a clean village campaign, so how many people took part altogether? So here asked total number of people. How many total number of people took part in the campaign? So when it is called total, so what we will do, we will add the numbers. So here first we will find the information. What information given? Number of women and number of men. What is asked? Total number of people, right? And what we will do then? Addition. So look, we will add 365. This number is of women and 276 are men. So add together 5 plus 6, 11. So 1 will come here, 1 will keep here, unit place, and tens place 1 will carry over here. Okay, now 6 plus 1, 7 plus 7, 14. So again 4 will come and 1 will carry over here. So 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 5 and 6. So 641. So total total people are 641. Understood, students? Look, do this word problems in your textbook and do practice of it again and again. Happy learning, student. Thank you so much.